Hi, I'm Lindsay Cordery-Bruce. I'm the Chief Executive of the homelessness charity, The Woolwich, and that's in my day job anyway. The rest of the time I am a proud trustee of WCVA, and I've been involved with that organisation for about 6 or 7 years now. The reason I joined the board was about a question of impact really. So when I was in charities running frontline services, for a full caseload I could maybe help 40 families. Then I became a trainer, so if I had a room full of 15 people and I could train them to do what I did well, and they all helped 40 families, then that's the impact that we see as it sort of as it filters out. It's like dropping a pebble in a pond. So through WCVA, if we're supporting all the third sector organisations in Wales, and each of those members of staff are helping that many families, then the impact just gets even bigger and more considerable. So I think that's what really attracted me to the role at first, and just to learn more about charity governance, because they do things really well there. So that's what I get from it really. It's just good to be part of getting a different perspective, part of a new team from different parts of the sector, so I learn a lot from that team and from the other trustees. Our WCVA elections are now open, and they're open until the 9th of September. If you want more information, you can go to wcva.cymru. There's 5 vacancies available, so I invite you to step up and become part of this awesome team.